let's take a look at the VDL machine. It has a parameter backup, a backup file. How do we handle this file? How do we copy the parameters out and then import or export them? First, we need to find a USB drive and insert it into the USB port below the display screen of our machine. Tap on Tools, then Print Head, then Control. Here, select the first option, the very first one. Prepare to install the print head. Here you have Create and Restore options. I'll create one first, so I tap Create. We can use the default, or we can change it to 1 or 2, whichever you like. This is just a file name. After selecting it, tap OK. Now the parameters have already been saved to our USB drive. After exporting, remove the USB drive, plug it into the computer to make changes, and once you're done, we need to restore it. Tap to enter and insert the USB drive properly. After inserting it, select the first option. Below, there's a Restore button. Click Restore. It will automatically use the parameter file name we created. Make sure to select it, then click Restore, and then Yes, that's it. For importing or exporting parameters, or for backup, we can back up the original by exporting it. Export the parameters that originally came with the device. If you want to restore factory settings, it's the same process. For a new machine, if you don't want to change any parameters, just export the parameters and save them to your computer. Next time you want to restore factory settings, just put the original file onto a USB drive, plug it into the machine, and restore it. Alright, that's it.